This mod improves the handling of all cars and bikes in GTA Vice City Next Gen Edition for smoother and more realistic driving. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, scroll down and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this folder. Right click on the GTA Vice City Next Gen Edition on the desktop and select open file location. Navigate to common folder, data, and find handling. Just drag and drop to desktop to make a backup and then go back to WinRAR. Just drag and drop this mod file inside this folder. And now just close tab here and launch the game. Once you are in game, just get into the car and now the handling is even more easier to control, like quicker to turn around. In default, it's hard to turn. I can feel it, guys, actually. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.